This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketchnote. Sketchnoting is a powerful visual note-taking method that blends text, drawings, and symbols to capture information. It helps you process and remember content more effectively than traditional linear notes. This technique is accessible to everyone, regardless of artistic skill, requiring just a few basic supplies to get started on your creative journey. To begin your sketchnoting adventure, you truly only need a pen and paper. A black fine liner pen, perhaps with a 0.5mm tip, is excellent for details. For adding emphasis, a slightly thicker marker, around 1mm, works wonders. Opt for unlined paper or a dot grid notebook, as these provide the most freedom for your visual layouts, allowing your creativity to flow without restriction. Effective sketchnotes utilize several core visual elements. Employ containers such as boxes, circles, or banners to neatly group related ideas, making your notes easy to follow. Integrate simple icons, arrows, and dividers to create visual pathways and emphasize connections between points. Varying your lettering styles and sizes, perhaps using a larger font for main headings, helps to highlight key concepts and add visual interest to your page. The best way to improve your sketchnoting is through consistent practice. Begin by capturing short talks, podcasts, or articles to build your confidence and speed. Over time, you will develop a personal visual vocabulary of icons and symbols that resonate with you. Don't be afraid to experiment with various layouts, color palettes, and drawing styles to discover what works best, making your sketchnotes truly unique and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.